You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back. We're taking the stress out of international relocation. And in today's episode, we're focusing on preparing your household goods for the safe journey from Los Angeles or San Francisco all the way to Italy. Effective packing is crucial when moving your precious belongings overseas. At SDC International Shipping, we understand that proper preparation ensures your cargo survives the trip in perfect condition. Whether you're shipping furniture, vehicles, or other delicate items, we prioritize safeguarding them throughout the transit process. One of the biggest challenges in international shipping is the risk of damage caused by vibrations or rough handling, especially with mechanical equipment like cranes or lifts. But with SDC, you can rest assured because our expert team knows how to prepare your items for safe shipping, minimizing the chance of damage. Proper packaging is the key to success when shipping household goods to Italy. SDC International offers comprehensive packing services that prioritize the safety and security of your belongings. Whether it's a shared or full shipment, our packaging solutions are designed to meet the highest standards. We use specialized techniques like crating and palletizing for larger or heavier items, which help stabilize and protect these goods during air and ocean freight. Edge protectors and paperboard further strengthen the packaging, providing an additional layer of defense against potential harm. We employ shrink wrapping and strapping methods for boxed and palletized items as part of less than truckload, or LTL, or full truckload, FTL. These techniques ensure that your furniture remains secure and protected from environmental factors, so your items arrive at their destination in Italy just the way they left. Our internal packaging process is unmatched for more delicate items, like electronics or valuable artifacts. We fill any empty spaces in partial boxes with protective material like peanuts or air cushions to minimize movement. When extra protection is needed, our box-in-box packing method adds another level of security, ensuring that even the most fragile items make it through the journey intact. By choosing SDC's professional packaging services, you can avoid common mistakes that lead to damage during transit. Our team knows how to select the right material and techniques, tailored to the weight and nature of your household goods, giving you peace of mind throughout your move. At SDC International Shipping, we're here to ensure your belongings make it to Italy safe and sound. For more information on our packing services and how we can help with your international move from Los Angeles or San Francisco all the way to Italy, visit our website and join us for the next episode. We're going to continue on this exciting journey of moving to Italy from Los Angeles or San Francisco. Until then, safe travels.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.